Good morning, everyone. Today, I will be teaching you how to install Adobe Photoshop CS6. For now, we will be using CS4. Okay. So, first thing you need to do is you have to, of course, secure computer or laptop. This is not going to be available for phones. All right. So, first is you have to open your Google Classroom, and then once you open your Google Classroom, guys, hover your attention to week number 9, a graphic design Photoshop tutorial, and go to this one, how to install Photoshop on your PC or laptop. So it's asking you some instructions here, and all you need to do is just click this link below. All right. So this link will also be available on the description below in this video. All right. So just have to click on that, and then you will be directed to this screen. And then all you need to do is just click on save. Once you click on save, okay, it will be shown here, or you can it will be shown in your downloads. Okay, you just have to click downloads here at the left part of your screen. So once it will be downloaded, okay, this one will be the one that's in here. It's under a zip file. So all you need to do is just have to right click on this one and click extract files. Again, right click on the file and then extract files. Click on that, and then you can choose the location where you want this to be saved. You can click documents here if you want to, or you can click everywhere, wherever you wanted to have this installed. And we have to click on OK. So as for me, I'm not gonna change this. I'm just gonna make this under downloads. All right. So again, I'm gonna right click here, extract files, and click OK right away. So once it's done OK, you will be provided with a folder. So it will create it just a copy. So just have to double click on this one. All right. And then double click here, and this is the icon. So if you want this to be permanently be installed in your computer, just have to right click on this one, go to send to, and then select desktop create shortcut. And because of that, when you click on that, it will create a shortcut on your desktop. Okay. So whenever you just open, you just have to right click on this one, open or run as administrator, either of the two. So example, in my end, I will click on run as administrator. Okay. So as you can see, it's already open. So this is how the Photoshop looks like. So on our discussion, on my next video, we will be discussing the toolbars that's shown in here. Also, we will be discussing the layers and whatnot. All right. Are you guys excited? Of course you will be. All right. Because on the next 6 videos, we will be discussing, or I'm gonna teach you guys how to create brush IDs, like 2x2, 1x1, so that you can create your own ID, how to remove the backgrounds and whatnot. I will also be teaching you how to create your own slogan, okay, your own tarpaulin for birthdays, for weddings, for any celebration that is using Photoshop. Okay, so I think that will be all. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, I would be happy to help you. Please comment down below. You just go to our group chat. All right, thank you so much and have a great day. Goodbye.